I used to think the mother-daughter conflict was just with Black moms. But the more I observe, the more I see it's in every race. Hey, I'm Miss T. Marie. Come, sit with me. As a mother and daughter, I noticed there's some weird push-pull that I can't quite put my finger on. I thought maybe jealousy, envy, some weird form of control, or genuinely wanting better for their daughters that gets lost in translation. I also saw a video talking about children coming as lessons to expose your flaws. Let's explore the possibilities. I always tell my daughter the things I admire about her. She speaks up for what she wants, she stands for what she believes in, and her logic and reasoning skills are definitely advanced for her age. As I'm preparing her to be more independent and keep herself safe when I'm not around, I'm noticing I'm asking her to dim her light. And it's things to protect her, like we don't say certain words around certain people, we don't have to point out everyone's flaws, and we don't have to speak to everyone when we're out. And I don't know how I feel about that. It's just so many situations she could get into if she's not aware. So I've been learning about reasons a mom could be jealous, and it confused me at first. So a mother could become jealous of her daughter if she, one, has narcissistic traits. Additionally, if she views her daughter as competition, and not just with beauty, accomplishments, or freedom of the life the daughter has, but it also can expose insecurities like unresolved trauma, maybe from their mom, unfulfilled accomplishments, the relationship with the father, and viewing the daughter having an easier life. It's sad to hear, but good to know. Knowing is power. Then there's the flip side. When a mother wants to stay close, but that closeness starts to push the daughter away, so she genuinely wants to protect her, but instead it creates emotional withdrawal. The disconnect is typically because the overprotection is usually the mom managing her own intense fears of abandonment or harm. So, as a daughter, this hit different. It helps me understand the reasons behind certain restrictions or things I was unable to experience growing up. And as a mother, it's very eye-opening and gives me a chance to catch any insecurities I may push into my daughter and keeping the lines of communication open and continuing to try to find a happy medium. Thank you for sitting with me. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this. Join the community. Click all my links. Okay, love you. Bye.